In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an envelope using a template with Docusign Esignature. Whether you're sending contracts, agreements, or other important documents, Docusign makes it easier to manage your documents securely and efficiently. Let's get started on a straightforward process. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Docusign is the leading platform in electronic signatures and agreement management, so having an account here is essential for your digital paperwork needs. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to access your account, enter your credentials if prompted to do so. Upon successfully logging in, you should land on your Docusign homepage. This is your central hub where all your document transactions are managed. Now focus your attention on the templates section. Click on Templates. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to reutilize pre-designed document formats to save time and maintain consistency in your document management tasks. After entering the templates section, you will see a list of templates you may have used or created. If you spot the template you need, click on the option labeled Use. This action will initiate the setup for a new document envelope using the template you've selected. An envelope in Docusign terms is essentially a container used to send documents for digital signatures or approval. Next, you'll be prompted to add details to your envelope. You will need to fill in the necessary information, such as the names and email addresses of the recipients who need to sign or approve the document. Be sure to verify that these details are accurate, as any mistakes here might delay the process of getting your document signed. Once you have entered all the required details, look for the Next button and click on it. This will allow you to review and, if need be, adjust the placement of signatures, initials, dates, or any other elements that your document template requires. Double check that each field aligns correctly with the document sections that need signatures or input. Finally, after reviewing everything, click on the Add Selected button. This final step confirms your selections and prepares the document to be sent out. Upon clicking this, your envelope is dispatched to the designated recipients. They will receive an email asking them to review and sign the document, bringing the process to a close. And there you have it. You've now successfully sent an envelope using a template with Docusign Esignature. This method not only saves time, but also keeps your workflow organized and efficient. Using templates can drastically reduce errors and improve your document management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more features that Docusign offers.